Good morning. My name is Madhu Malini and I am studying in Jiva Public School. I am an active member of the India in Action campaign run by my school. It is started by our chairman, Mr. Rishipal Chauhan, and in this campaign, we participate in programs and activities that will develop the feelings of compassion and generosity in ourselves. We visit many old age homes, orphanages, slum areas, etc. and distribute things like clothes, food materials and stationeries to them and talk to the people and play with them and try to educate them. As part of this campaign, I had visited many old age homes and talked to the inmates there. By talking to them, I came to know about their feelings and their daily lives. Being part of the campaign, I was given a chance to participate in a talk show, Meri Baat, run by the DD National Channel. There, the topic of discussion was senior citizens, and in this topic, we discussed various issues like the problems faced by the senior citizens in today's society, how neglected they feel when they are sent off to old age homes away from their children and grandchildren, the diseases which are most likely to affect the people in old age, etc., with a panel of experts and other senior citizens. As I had visited many old age homes, I was able to actively participate in this talk show and give my contribution completely. The message that I got from the show was that we should always be respectful towards our grandparents and love and care for them. I have always been motivated to respect my grandparents by my parents and by my school. In our school, we are encouraged to follow the Dincharya Ki Niyam, in which the first niyam after waking up is to touch the Mother Earth and the feet of our parents, grandparents and other elders. Along with this, the practice of self-analyzation helps us to realize our mistakes and gives us a chance to rectify them and be a better person. Also, we practice the writing of SOE, which stands for Self, Others and Environment. In this, we write what we learned from ourselves, from environment and others, and also how we use our learning in helping and contributing to the society, that is the environments and others and ourselves. I am privileged to be a member of the India in Action campaign, and I thank my management and my teachers for giving me the opportunity to participate in it. Thank you.